Shot lang iso. Here's the number 15. Hester using the screen. Basket is good. With the close defense of Bueno. Nice defense by Panday. Panday with the layup. On offensive rebound, Hester inside. We have a double team with his nice ball by Hester with Blackstone is good. It's a long two. Alright, Master John out of the three. It's another three of Jana. Corner pass, Hester, wide open three. It's a 3-point.
Pass here, straight, pass straight, let's show. Good ba?
May araw.
From all the Benike, then Ojola. Nice jump ball, the ball positions for the team line Skirby. On the 10. Similar down to 5. Yes, David. Monte Calvo, Tony Campo, and there is the goal by the referee. With 11 Panday, Bueno to Hester with a turnaround jumper. 3 Monte Calvo on the inbound to Ilombe. Kick out to Loyola with a drop step. With a floater, basket is good. Jersey number 11 Panday on the run, transition pass to Bueno. With a step up 2. Jersey number 11 bounce pass to Ilombe. Nicky inside, basket is good. Hester catching the 3, it's a 3-point by Antonia. Loyola with the ball crossover. Rebound by Hester. Bueno to jersey number 11 to Panday. Ojola, kick out for Hester, using the fade. There is a back-to-back 3 of Antonio Hester. Ege with the defense of Ojola, should lock down to 4. Rebound by Bueno, transition pass lang kahit with the drive. Here's number 11 on the backcourt with a close defense of Bueno. Torre Campo. Here comes to Torre Campo, long pass to Ilombe. Ilombe on the basket. Oscar pass lang kahit with a close out. Hester here. And keep it out of Ojola. Forward pass to Eke. Hitting the 3. Langkahit for the rebound. Hester Panday on the deep 3. Offensive rebound of Hester Langkahit again. It is a 3 points by Langkahit. Nice intercept the ball by Monte Calvo. Fortuna, hesitation drive. Bounce pass to Ilombe. Drop pass to Eke. There's a ball by a referee. That is nailed down. Looking is companion to Otor. Back to Panday. Here comes to Panday with the high post screen of Hester. Corner pass to Inon. Should left down to 8. Should left down to 5. Otor with the top shot of Hester Otor. Fortuna with a picture defense. Eke, 1-on-1 defense between Ojola. Nice defense by Hester inside. Jersey number 1 by Hester. But that is an unsuccessful attempt. Jana Off the glass. Ochola collect the ring for the corner pass to the hole and that's the shoot. It's a 3 points by Solihon. Monticalvo with a high post screen of Eke. Monticalvo on the drive. Big and roll play. Basket is good. Corner pass to Solihon. Back to Manlay to Hester. Hester on the drive. Easy basket. Kick out to Ilongbe, shot clock down to 5. That is too strong for the reverse layup of Ilongbe. Rotor, off the run, stops in the mid-range area. That is an air ball. Offensive rebound. Solihon, hitting the 3. Jana on the run for the 4 of the situation. Jana on the rainbow line. Ochola, forward pass, Manlay, Hester inside, back to Manlay. Ochola again, and there's a ball there. Fortuna with the defense of Billy Mock. On the drive, missing the fake. Basket is good by Portland Scorpion. Hand up to Hester. Here comes to Hester. With the defense of Ilongbe. Hester for the feet away. Hester is good by Antonio Hester. With the high post screen of Ilongbe. Fortuna with the defense of Billy Mock. Here's number 9, Hester with the big 3. Offensive rebound. Billy Mock. Shot to the corner. Basket is good by Toricampo. Toricampo with a high post screen. In the backcourt. Here comes to Billy Mock. Corner pass to Jordan. Nice shot by the goal inside. Corner with the defense of Billy Mock. Bounce pass to Eke. Ilongbe. For the last 5 seconds. That is basket count by Ilongbe. At the end of our first quarter, 26 on the backcourt. Billy Mock, kick out for Hester. Hester with the defense of Ilongbe. There is an extra basket on the wall. Nothing but net for the quick catch and shoot of Becky for the steal. Here comes the Billy Mock facing ancient right. Hester. Ochola on the mid-range area. Basket is good. To the defense of Duran. High post screen of Ilongbe. Pick and roll play. Ilongbe on the corner. Shot clock down to 8. There is a long two by Ochola. Hand up to Duran. It's a 3 points. Duran. Toricampo to Jana. Jana with the high post screen of Eke. Penetrate inside. Down pass to Eke. It's a 3 points. 1-1. Manlay. Hester with a drop step. The glass is good. Jana. Jana with the defense of Saki Natigan. There's a one. Ochola. Shidlak down to 8. Ochola working inside. Reverse down. That is too strong. Jersey number 15, Toricampo. Basket is good. 9, Hester. Ochola on the drive. Down to Tony Campo. We have a forward pressure defense. Here comes Sujana with a high post 3. Shadlak down to 8. And the floor with the defense of Monte Calvo. On the nice reflection, there is a ball. Monte Calvo with a high post 3 of Ilombe with a contested 3. Sa tinitigan collector now. We have a turnover again. 17 seconds. Jersey number 15, Tony Campo with the half-court defense of Duran. Tuige. Down pass to Tony Campo with an extra basket and 1. Jersey number 9. That is a 3-point. Shadlak down to 14. Lakay corner pass to Hester. Using the speed. Hester with the defense of Loyola. Bueno. One step jumper. The mid-range master Bueno. Tony Campo. Holding his limit for screen. Shadlak down to 10. Loyola kick out to Tony Campo. Corner pass. It's a 3 points by Monte Calvo. Pantay forward pass to Bueno. Bueno with the defense of Loyola. Back to Pantay. Turn around 3 by Langgahi. Calvo using his handle. Cross-court pass, AK. He found an answer. Shadlak down to 14. Ochoa with the defense of Megan. Shadlak down to 10. There's a hole. With the defense of Billy Mock. Monte Calvo, isolation drive. Billy Mock on the run. Hester with the layup. Hester. Jersey number 23, Monte Calvo. Pass to Ike with the defense of Ochoa. Shadlak down to 10. Loyola catch and shoot. Rebound by Ochoa. Deflecting the ball. Elombe for the open glass. That is too strong. Elombe again for Tona with a fake. Step back 3. High run Billy Mock on the backcourt. Here comes to Billy Mock. Long pass to Hester. Nice recovery by Billy Mock. Shadlak down to 10. Hesitation drive. Kick out to Hester. It's a 3 points. George Calvo. Corner pass for Tona with a fake. Offensive rebound in Ilombe for the off the glass. Shadlak down to 5. That is a short 3. Ilombe with the defense of Hester. Ilombe penetrating inside. Nice defense by Hester. Ilombe with a fake. Off the glass is good. Ochoa. Kick out to Hester. Last 30 seconds. Last 30 seconds. There is the time for the second quarter. Bounce pass to Otor with the defense of Monte Calvo. On the low post area, Ochoa using his footwork inside. That is with the defense of Pantay. Corner pass for Tona for the catch and shoot. It's a 3 points. Here's number 11, Pantay. With a high post screen of Hester. Pantay stuck to the mid-range area. Basket is good. Holding out with the defense of Otor. Shadlak down to 10. Nice shot by Tona. Basket is good. Pantay. Jersey number 11, Pantay. Hester. And that is there. Otor for the football. Basket is good. the one to take Monticalvo, the point guard of the team Lubon. On the drive, nice pass by Lope again. There's a... Yes, there is a 2-1 strike for a play. Bounce pass to Ochola. Nice block by Solihon. Shot locked down to 8. That is the miscommunication. Monticalvo for the steal. Jana, it's up to the corner. Nice hit is good by Anthony Jana. To Hester. We have the battle of import to Hester in the Lope. Using his footwork. Fade away, but that is an air ball. Monticalvo on the dribble to Lope. On the drive, and we have a goal and a referee. Hit for Van Dyke St. John, should left down to 14. Fade away on the border. We have the back of rebound. The board, nice pass to Hester. Jana with the defense of Honor. That is a Ochola with the defense of Vega. Should left down to 8. Jersey number 11, Loyola. Loyola off the drive with the defense of Bueno. That's Loyola. High post 3. That is never good. Offensive rebound, Jana again. Offensive rebound. If there is a ball inside the free throw line, that personal foul. Good for 2. Should left down to 5. Yes, sir, and we have a ball by a referee. Yes, there is offensive rebound. Ochola, and we have a ball again. Good ball. Pass to Jana. Jana with the defense of Durant. Turn around, feed away. Basket is good by Jana. Jersey number 6, Ochola. Hand up to Billy Mock. Should left down to 8. Basket is good by Billy Mock. Monticalvo. To Jana. Jana penetrating inside. Offensive rebound. Lopez on 3. Floor. To Hester. With the defense of Nocos. Should left down to 10. Hester on the drive. Layup is good. Monticalvo with the defense of Billy. Should left down to 8. Should left down to 5. That is never good. Billy Mock on the run. Here comes to Billy Mock. That is wearing jersey number 15, calling up for. Corner pass, Jana with a turnaround feed away. Offensive rebound, Monticalvo inside. Basket is good. We have a close defense of Messer Noko. Should left down to 8. The isolation drive. Feed away. Langkahit, corner 3, Nocos, Jana, on the basket! Interference! Number 7, Billy Mock. Hester attacks in a mismatch defense. Hester inside. Hester again. With the defense of Nocos, hook shot. Nocos with a rebound. Torre Campo. Pass to Monticalvo, Nocos. Forward pass, Bueno. Basket is good by Hester. Should left down to 10. Offensive rebound by Torre Campo. Lopez 1-3. That is an air ball. Shot clock is off. the third quarter. Waiting for his teammate. Ochoa inside. Nice defense. Nice putback by Daddy's leading out. Montegano. Jana. Penetrate inside. What a layup! The James Raymore. Jersey number 5, Hester. On the drive. Basket is good. The unstoppable Hester. Montegano. Motor on the corner. That is too strong. One dive for the offensive rebound. One dive for the spin. Corner pass. Hester. Wide open three. It's a 3-point. Hester. Toy Lopez. Jana. That is a long two by Jana. Jersey number 5, Hester. With the defense of Ilongbe. Nice footwork inside. That is a lost ball. With a close defense of Ilongbe. Shot left down to 8. Torrey Campo. On the out of the jersey number 18, Ilongbe. Shot left down to 10. Shot left down to 5. Last person moment. Bueno. Read the defense. That is very good. Torrey Campo. Collect the rebound. 3-on-5 situation. Nice pass. Ilongbe. Oh, the pass is good. Points lead by the team by Lumon. Hester with a side step. Torrey Campo. Back to Bandai. Ojola on the low post area. Shot left down to 8. Bandai with a catch and shoot. That is an air ball. Torrey Campo. For the rebound forward pass to Jana. Oh, big three. Yes, another three of Jana. Bueno. That is a counter long to Walter Bueno. Should left down to 5. It's a long two by Ilongbe. Jersey number 6, Ojola. Should left down to 10. Nice wing over to Hester. Ojola for the defensive rebound. Hester inside. We have a double team. Nice ball by Hester. With flexing his two hands, basket count. With a close defense of Bueno. Nice defense by Bandai. Bandai with a layup. The lead is got up to 2. 70. Jersey number 31, Eke. Looking his companion. Montegano with a layup. We have defense of Ilongbe. We have the battle of import. Should left down to 10. With 3 points lead. Seconds. Hester using the screen. Basket is good by Antonio Hester. Ilongbe with the defense of Hester using the drop step. Should left down to 10. Jana. Sorry hard. Bandai. Nice intercept, but that is the best team. Ojola. Solihon on the free throw line. Here's number 15, Torrey Campo. Shot left down to 10. Basket is good by Eke. Jersey number 5, Hester. Kick out to Solion. Shinlang down to 8. And there's a call by the referee. Taking last circuit. Jersey number 23. Long pass to Joanna. Feed away. Lead it out. We have a drop ball. Jersey number 5, Hester. Shinlang down to 14. That is short. Yelope. Shinlang down to 14. Going up on his right. Shinlang down to 5. Yelope for the rebound. Holding Alamo. On his right. Going up on Walker's rebound. Here comes Hester. Walker's right. Basket is good. Going up more. There's the moment referee. Going for two by Tony Gambo. 8-point lead by the team on Lumon. Hester isolation drive. Rebound by Yelope. Bouncing elbow. Wearing jersey number 23. Shinlang down to 14. Shinlang down to 10. Shinlang down to 1. Shot clock is off. Jersey number 15 for the blocking foul. Congratulations, Lance Griffin.